Japan, the place of wonder with a city that never sleeps, and a symbol for the rising sun. Over the next few videos, you will see my vlogs as almost a documentary into the streets of Japan and the amazing place it is, and how I fell in love with this far eastern country. This is my invite for you to join me on my journey and get a taste of what Japan has to offer. Enjoy.
I'll tell you what I told Fujiwara. I'll tell you what I told Fujiwara.
ゴムですいい状態でバンクを降りてきたまだまだいい状態で飛び出
And it begins. Ah, damn it. What's up? Oh, sorry. Break yourself, fool. But yeah, this is the start of going to Japan. It's gonna be insane. Can't wait. Come on, boys. Oh my. Breakfast.
You have got like one over.
Yo, this place, this is halal as well, man. We gonna make it. Look at that, man. Oh my. Huh? Nah, I'm good for now. Let's dig in. Alright. Oh damn, keep smacking it. Oh, how far up is it? Oh man. Whew. I feel sick. We should not have done that after eating. That's too many stairs. Whew. Let's look around. That might be our plane, by the way. Nope. Find out. That's our plane. Not that one over there. This one. That's all of us. Oh, nice. Got some random person's hair. Oh my. Oh my. There's a mirror Recaros, you know. Some racing seats. There's a mirror Recaros, you know. Some racing seats.
Honestly, this is so much nicer than the rest of it.
Oh yeah, it is way. He's struggling. He's just pull down.
Yo, I ain't got no click. I ain't got no.
That's not the wrong way.
Switch it round, there you go. Just unclip it if you want. He hasn't traveled in a long time. So plush. What are you gonna say? Sorry. This thing is literally like a rock. It's in now.
We in Russia. I don't know why I'm whispering right now, but this is stage 1 done. Okay, this lady's telling us where to go for Tokyo. Oh my, Baya, Jax. Yeah. Yo, that's the Russian way of saying Burger King, I think.
So excited! So excited! I said, what?
Ladies and gentlemen, to prepare for takeoff,
People, this is it. We're about to fly to Japan. That's the time. We are tired. We got land in Japan, right? Oh my gosh. It actually smells so different. Is that right? Huh? It smells JDM. That's what it smells like. Guys. Guys. Baya. Baya. Check. You Japan. This is literally, oh my god. Yo. Snap, I'm too excited. Where you going? Are you going bathroom? No, they're going bathroom. We'll catch you in a bit. I see. Jags, how excited are you, man? Oh my, oh, it's not focusing on you, man. Focus on it. Oh my. I'm probably the most excited person on this plane. I've become crazy. It's just amazing. We're about to exit the airport any second now. Just trying to sort our Wi-Fi thing. You know, no lie, Japan's airport is sick, but got a little bit of an issue, which is because of a typhoon, trains and taxis are crazy expensive. Trains are down and bus routes are down. So I'm actually looking to see if I can rent a car. Yo, so the train's mess that's behind me right now. Gonna see what we can sort out. Man, car rental queue was soon. I didn't want to wait there and waste any time. I thought I'd look around everything first, then try and figure out what we're gonna do. This is mad. The thing is, well, from the airport we've landed at, it's an hour's drive, even with the expressway open. So when they close, it's like all kinds of bad news for us.
Normally, traveling from Narita to Tokyo would be easiest via getting the train, but the other option is to get a coach. Unfortunately, the trains were down and the E51 was also down, so we couldn't use either way.
My first steps out in Japan, this is stressful. Nobody's like, there's no buzz outside, because nobody knows what the hell they're gonna do. Hold on. Coming up here to the top deck to try and find a taxi, and this spot looks sick though. So much stress. Too much stress right now. No one's a taxi. By the way, like, look at how crazy all that is over there, man. That's madness. So guys, I thought this would be an important moment for me to interrupt the vlog and explain something to you guys. I didn't get a chance to film this because of all the chaos that was happening around what to do at the airport. So from Narita to Tokyo, as you guys have already been told, it was a no-go. We couldn't get a train, we couldn't get a shuttle bus. So we decided, there was already a group of us that have already gone together that was speaking English. There's about 10 of us by this point, and we decided to get a rental car. Now, the biggest car that we could get was an 8-seater, so we thought, okay, if it's already getting an 8-seater and there's 10 of us, we're gonna get 2. And then we just picked up some random other people at the airport, decided that they can come with us, and we'll all share the costs and get over to Tokyo together. It was amazing. It was actually the most coolest way to enter into Tokyo. We did lose out a lot of time. We were planning to get into Tokyo for 2 p.m. and by the time we got there, it was basically very late in the night. It was like 9 o'clock. So we did lose near enough a full day. It does suck, but the story that we had from it is amazing, and everyone that we met was so nice. It was just amazing. Like, it was a story that felt like it was straight out of the pages from a Hollywood film. Just a group of strangers just getting together, renting out cars together so we can all travel into Tokyo in a different country. So yeah, pretty special. But let's jump back into the vlog.
It would be more expensive than the rental. I said tourism Japan.
Yeah. That was our first car line. Sick. Yeah, I got it. This is our little shuttle bus. So I do YouTube vlogging as well, so I'm like documenting everything here. Yeah, we're gonna make it, man. We're actually gonna make it to Tokyo. It's the stage 1, so we're getting into the car. Let me show you around actually. This is the van. This is the shuttle that's taking us. We've got some new recruits joining us. Oh, I got the best seat in the house.
What are those?
Oh, these people, I feel bad for them. These are our cars. Oh, snap. What is this place? Red Garage. This is Lifesavers. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's anniversary, yeah. Snap. Yeah. This is the group people. This has been mad. It's so safe. Craziness. Oh my god. Oh, it's the RX-7. Oh yeah. No, that's a 270Z. The S13. Oh my god. There's a Civic outside. Sorry, you're gonna see a lot of this right now. This is.
No, it's good. It's better than a movie. Oh my god.
Wow, this is ridiculous.
That really feels like Jurassic Park.
So yeah, now we can fully see now. Perfect for street racing. Oh wow.
But that is quite scenic. That's like a
That is.
The lighting is really good.
Yeah. Oh, I actually really want to go outside and take a photo, man. That's beautiful.
More likely, yep, take it right here. You're more likely to find English, but I would bet here.
How the hell have they done that to the building?
Kind of fun skylines. What you looking for?
Japan, you are literally stealing my heart right now. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm in love. I'm literally like a big kid right now. This is absolutely beautiful to me. I'm in love with Japan. This is literally like my new favorite place to go. This is our first meal in Japan. We're keeping it pretty safe. stunning is that?
I haven't driven by this actually.
Just a passenger really. Yeah, it's WRX. Accord.
350Z.
It's 2000 or
So that's 2000 also. I feel like it doesn't get very much from it.
Evo as well. Is it E55 AMG? People, we made it into Tokyo. What a hell of a trip that was. We all shared the cars. I think 7 of us or 8 of us in total. Waiting for the other car to arrive. Now it's been mad. It's literally been mental. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. It's now like 9 something in the afternoon as well, so it's late. We've had an amazing day, met some really cool people, which is really nice. And yeah, we've lost Jag. We don't know where it's gone. It's actually kind of worrying because we didn't even talk about where to meet up here. We just want to go back to the car, I think. That's the safest bet. Yeah. So this is what it's like right by the Tokyo train station. It is absolutely stunning. It's like 28 degrees. It's just beautiful. Okay, it looks a bit dark in the camera right now, but it's not actually that dark. So that's us parked up for tonight. Brother's trying to figure out if he parked it correctly. It's really weird how they park up here. You got these little things on the road. Oh, it's 7-Eleven there. We've seen loads of cars already, like S15s, RX-7 driving around, but my phone was being used. Sat now, so I couldn't really film anything. It's a bit annoying, but next time. This is our route basically to the hotel. But it's an apartment that we've got. Look what I spot. Nah, 33 photo. I think it's a photo. Front bumper looks like it's one from the photos. Oh my. Right, we spotted an R32 and an R33. 34, 35 next. Oh man, that's cool. Like legit, how crazy is that? Right next to our apartment. Skyline. Never lets us down, yo. Japan is killing it. Woo! And it's so hot. And it's so dark right now. It's so late. Making so much noise. I should really shut up. Oh snap. It's a proper Alpina. This is us. Let's go. Room's a mess, but trying these little, I don't know what they're called. I messed it up opening it, but let's see what it's like. That's interesting. The seaweed's interesting. Seaweed is stuck to your lips. Other than that, it tastes like sushi. Right, so that's the end of chapter 1 or day 1, part of this vlogumentary in Japan. What an amazing day that was. Literally, I've started to fall in love with Japan. Coming back to the UK, I'm still 100% in love with Japan. It's one of the coolest trips I've ever been on. Make sure you guys do subscribe because the other videos that are coming out are going to blow you away. So hit that bell notification so you guys do get to see that video as soon as it is uploaded and you get notified of it and you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, peace out. Catch you later.